Hey Chris here, welcome back to the Investing Boss channel. So in this video, I wanted to share with you a rental income update for the month of November 2025. I'll go ahead and share my phone screen at the side of me in a second and share with you the 70 properties that I now own, well, shares of them. It'd be great if I owned all 70 outright. But I'll show you how much rental income I've had, what kind of appreciation they've had in value, and just a couple of things that's changed on the stake investing app since I last did a video here on the channel. Before we do that though, I'd just like to mention the Investing Boss Facebook group, which there'll be a link to down in the description if you're not yet a member. As well, down in the description, there'll be my referral link to Stake, which will give you some free shares of property when you sign up through my link. If you just sign up via the usual method, like Googling Stake and then signing up, you won't get that additional welcome bonus. But jumping on my phone then, here, I'll show you my screen there. This is exactly what I'm seeing on my screen. There's currently 5 properties available to invest in. 499 are now funded. There's now been 23 properties exited on the platform, so there you can see all of these sold here. And I've actually just had 3 emails over the weekend which have asked me to cast a vote for 3 different properties that I own shares in, whether or not I'd like to sell early or stay invest. And because I've made such great gains between all 3 of them, I voted to sell them all early. So that should be around £4,000 that I'll get back from selling those properties early. But if I go ahead and click on portfolio then, this is going to show my current value, of course, and that's at £23,318.56. I'll put it on the screen now what that is in US dollars for those of you watching in America. And in dirhams, that's 113,384 dirhams and 1 cent. You can see my all-time returns, just over £5,000, 5,262 thereabouts, which is a 34% gain. And there, when you click onto that, it breaks it down nicely. So this is everything you can see on the app. If you try and look at this through the desktop version, it doesn't give you such a clean breakdown. But back on the main screen, you can click on total rental income, and this is great now how it shows you on the 6-month graph. You can see how it's changed, been going down till October was my lowest month there. A few tenants stopped paying rent. Pound to US dollar got stronger, which means I get less money from Stake. I can buy more shares with my British pounds, but rental income getting paid to me in dirhams is less valuable. Just depends which way the exchange rate has gone if you're investing using British pounds. Because of investing more money in the exit window, it's now up a massive 35% in rental income since June. So you can see that in November I had £74.60, which is really good. If we click on 1 year, it's been pretty even, not been investing too much in Stake each month, just because of having other investments elsewhere and other costs to general living. But we can go on 3 years, and you can see over the 3-year graph, then 2023 had £134, 2024 £379 thereabouts, and then a increase of 75% since last year and had £665.74 in 2025. That gives a annualized portfolio yield for the rental income of 5.18%, which isn't too bad at all, and a 90% occupancy rate is okay. There was 7 properties that I did not get rent from, and 64 properties pay me rent. When all 7 of those that are currently paused pay rent, that'll be a nice little addition, and it should be closer to around £80 for the month there. Going back, you can see the total appreciation of over £3,500, and you can't click onto anything extra there. Now they have this diversification score, which gives me a 84 out of 100, and it's basically just saying that I'm missing more fix and flip. So I do have around £100 invested in one fix and flip. I'm not a big fan of fix and flips because they don't pay rental income, and I like to see the rental income getting increased. But my fix and flip that I am invested in is actually nearly completed, so we should have a sale from that soon. Scrolling further down, you can go to the My Stakes section, and a lot of these here that I'm showing on the screen now are actually recent purchases from the exit window. So I would have got those around the 15% discount, and some of them I already had shares in, so that's why it's showing like just over 15% in appreciation. So it's not going too bad at the moment. Over 300 dirhams of rental income, so around £74 for the month. Really like to hear what kind of rental income you're getting on your Stake app and what your plans are for the future. Are you waiting and investing like a large amount into a single property that you really like the look of? Are you doing what what I saw one state member doing, where they're buying a very small amount of every single property that gets released onto the app, which that's another approach to it. If you want to really diversify, please do tap the like button if you enjoyed this quick update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.